So I wrote a custom race car class, and in my app I created a first race car object and assigned it a color. Now you know, using your own custom class, that you can create as many objects as you want from that one class. So, just for good measure, let's create one more race car object from that race car class. After the line where I assign my car color for the first race car, I'm going to create a second race car. Type race car and then star, and this time I'll just call it second race car. And again, I'll use the race car alloc init structure to initialize that second race car object. Now all my race car can do, of course, is have a car color, so I'll assign a car color to my second race car, but I'll use a different car color this time. So for the second race car, dot car color, I'll assign it the color blue. Then below the earlier NSLog statement, I'll add a second NSLog statement to test to make sure that this car color was set correctly too. So NSLog at quote the other car is, in here I want to pass that other car color. So I use a %at placeholder, comma, and then second race car space car color. Close the square brace, parenthesis, and semicolon. So let's run this and see what output I get. So you see now in the output window I've got two output statements. One, the color of the first car is red, and then the other car is blue. And that's because I used my one race car class, which is just the idea of a race car in the abstract, to create two actual race car objects, first race car and second race car. The first race car had a red car color, the second race car had a blue car color, which are strings that we set up in our race car class. I'd take a moment and go back to the NSString example lecture and compare how declaring a NSString object is similar to creating our race car object and how they're different. But congratulations on creating your first custom class and creating your first custom objects from that class.